Welcome everybody. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the windshield bracket kit for a Whistler laser radar detector. And this is the windshield bracket right here. As you can see, there's 3 holes here, and that's going to be for our 2 suction cups and our black rubber bumper down here. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our bumper and we're going to put it in the small hole here right where the bracket begins to bend. The pointed end will go in there and it just snaps right into place. Pretty simple. Alright, and then we'll take our suction cups in the larger holes here, and they just slide over into the slots and they kind of lock into place there. And then once we've got these in place, what we're going to do is we're going to install the bracket itself into the radar detector. So if we look on the back of the detector, just above the lens here, there's a small slot, and that's where the bracket is going to fit in. So we'll take the bracket, slide it in there until it clicks, and it's locked into place. Now, anytime we want to remove the bracket from the detector, on the side over here we've got our bracket release button. So what we'll do is we'll press and hold that down, and that'll allow the bracket to slide right out. Alright, so that's how you install the windshield bracket kit for a laser radar detector from Whistler. Thanks for watching. You can see some more of our videos at our YouTube channel, youtube.com/WhistlerGroupInc. And while you're there, don't forget to subscribe.